Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, Monday, and let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As you know, I'm still in Dubai enjoying beautiful weather, amazing time. I just finished my trading day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I enjoyed peeping today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Alright, so Euro USD. So if you look at the Euro USD chart, we've been long since the market opened, as you can see here. If you look at based on the previous price action. So based on the previous price action, you can see here, we had a rejection. So had this long trade as the market opened, and afterwards, even after the New York session, we can see here price developed another bullish engulfing candle. So price still moving towards the final target. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit to help my traders to squeeze. What an amazing trade, guys. So since the market opened, our bias was long, pretty straightforward. You can see here, we at the market open, we had a pullback long, bank few pps, and afterwards we're expecting here another pullback. That's the first priority. You can see here price develop pullback, another pullback, and at the New York session, price develop another symmetry triangle pattern. So you can see here that was a pretty straightforward. After this breakout, price nicely developed retest and another pullback. As soon as the price hit the first target, that's what I explained my traders time to bank some profit. And let's see if the price is going to, or move your stop loss at the break even. Let's see if the price is going to hit to the final target. So that was a beautiful trade, guys. No doubt most of the traders enjoy beautiful PPs. So let's move into the pound dollar. Just bear with me, guys. I'm recording this video from my laptop, so we might have slightly bit slow, right? Okay, so pound dollar, that was a pretty straightforward. We had such a nice beautiful short trade this morning. We have another pullback short and we have another long. Let me explain to you how I did. That was a pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader this morning, you can see here the price nicely respected as a resistance level. And if you look at here, this candle, that was a bearish engulfing candle. We had this breakout short trade here. As explained, my trader look for another pullback around this level. So we also had a very small short trade here, afterwards long trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze entries and exit. That was a beautiful trade, and let me share with you guys. That was a pretty straightforward, so just bear with me, guys. Alright, so you can see here this morning that was a pretty straightforward breakout, bank few pps. As always, after the breakout, looking for another pullback continuation. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, as explained my trader, there's a possibility price might going to reverse. Reason as given in the analysis, as you can see here, price developed this high as mentioned in the analysis. So explain my trader, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break, that's sign. Otherwise, long here, but the safest trade, look for this breakout. You can see here how nicely price respected. We haven't seen any candle close. That's why we're looking in depth in 4 hour. You can see here that's the level. Price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit this level, so to tighten your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. So that was a beautiful long trade here, counter long trade here after the breakout. Let's move into the dollar CAD, and dollar CAD we had another beautiful trades. Okay, so just bear with me, guys. I'm in a hotel room, so the internet is slightly bit slow. Okay, so if you look at the 4 hour chart, we had if you look at here, we are looking this breakout now. Symmetry triangle pattern. You can see here. So we're looking this breakout. So this morning we had a one small short trade, and afterwards we had this long trade here, and we have also another pullback. So technically we're looking this breakout. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. Okay, so this the market open, I did this analysis pretty straightforward. We're looking a pullback. You can see here price develop a pullback after banking some profit. Once the price hit to the major support level, price develop a double bottom. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. Counter long trade, price nicely hit to the first target, bank some profit. After banking, looking for another pullback. So you can see here price develop another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, move your stop loss at the break even. So now we are looking this breakout after banking few pips. So let's see how that's gonna go. As you know, today is Monday. We haven't seen any big more high impact news. We have only one high impact is our Swiss francs, but we manage very decent profit, as you can see, especially on Euro USD. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the most important part of it. So if you are still struggling, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market. And once you develop your trading skill, there's opportunities to get funded. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.